Hello everyone, this is Ashma, currently pursuing a Masters in Pharmaceutical Management at Jamia Hamdard. And today I'm going to discuss everything that you wanted to know about Jamia, starting from the pros, the placement, the admission procedure, and everything, you know. Let's move on to the pros regarding Hamdard. If I talk about the pros, then the faculty here are knowledgeable. They have academic knowledge, enough academic knowledge, and apart from that, they have experiences in industry, well-known industry like GSK, Pfizer. So they are easily reachable as well. Anything you wanted to ask about the industry and you aren't able to figure it out, you can reach to the teachers. Apart from that, Hamdard also organize certain industry workshops where industry experts visit Hamdard and they talk about the things that is going on in the industry, so as to let you know about the real world things that is going on. And additionally, we have a management club of Hamdard who is responsible for handling the LinkedIn account and organizes certain events. So it is quite helpful for the students to manage all the things and brushen up the managerial things, the managerial skills through this. If I move to the ambience and facilities of Hamdard, I would say the classrooms are clean, well maintained, ventilated, and the campus is surrounded with greenery and calmness, and there are a lot of culture here because a lot of students came from different cities, different states. So yeah, that is the thing. And I would also say that Hamdard has a good alumni network because we have over 200 plus of alumni connected via WhatsApp group where they used to send the job related posts and other things, where you can able to reach out to them in order to know things. If I talk about the placement, Hamdard has a placement cell which generally organize, or I would say it generally provide placement to the mid-level company or the startups. You have to be proactive in it, and you have to network a lot. Some students go for off-campus placement as well, and some of them opt for PhD. Nearly about 60 seats are there in pharma management, and fees here is somewhere around 1,30,000 per semester, and admission procedure is Gpat is not mandatory here. It is good if you are qualified. The chances of getting admission will be more for you. So anybody who is not even qualified Gpat can able to get admission here, and you just have to go to their official website and just have to fill the form, and then they will organize a GD and PI round where you have to go through that, and after that they will send, or I would say they will communicate via the emails, the further procedures via emails. So that's how you will get an admission.